Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I have here today this sweet 99 Toyota Tacoma single cab 4-wheel drive with the manual transmission, and it came for the general inspection, but mainly the owner thinks there's something with the engine, that it's not very strong and it shakes. Well, I did a test drive, and this is a normally feeling 4-cylinder engine, right? I don't think I will find anything wrong with it. You can see here the owner tried to fix it by changing the spark plugs and the cables, maybe the coils, I'm not sure if I remember correctly what he told me. So I already know, right, it shakes from a way different reason. There will be some problem with the 4-wheel drive or something. It's definitely going from down there. I just scanned the computer. There are no codes, right? There's no check engine light. There are no codes. It's not smoke ready. The EVA monitor, it's flashing, so he didn't still smoke it, I believe. So he's in the middle of the transfer here. But you know, I want to show you something about the maintenance on Toyotas and other vehicles. He's worried about the engine performance, and he goes and replaces spark plugs and cables and so on. But he's skipping the absolute basics. I'm doing complete inspection of the vehicle, right? It will be easy to assume that he has a brand new engine air filter in it. Let me pull this, let me open it, put the camera here on the tripod. Let me open this housing for you. And for the purpose of the filming it nicely, I will undo this clamp and I will put this whole thing on the side. You see, this is very dusty. I think this truck was used in the hills, right? Driving every day up the hills. That's why there will be the damage on the suspension or 4-wheel drive system, which I'm anticipating right at this moment. But just for the purpose, showing you this stuff nicely and easily for the camera, let's move this thing away, and here we go. So if you are concerned about the engine running correctly, will you not go ahead and open this sometimes? Look at this. And look at that. This is not what happened yesterday, right? This took a time. There's again mice, rat or something crawling in this intake, right, in this tube right here, and making a home, making a nest. We can see this is definitely in one day. That's an older process. And why, if you don't think that your engine runs correctly, this is completely plugged, these fins, right? How that engine can run? Well, how it can breathe the air inside, right, in the intake when this is completely plugged. So what I wanted to show you, when you do the maintenance, don't make assumption, don't skip the very basic step like a checking out your engine air cleaner. Here we have a perfect example. Just 2 minutes of cleaning and using vacuum, and he can at least dry away, right? Today the engine will work. If I'm looking against the light, it's totally perfectly clean, so he can drive safely today. The engine should get air and he should be good. If he wants, he can buy a new one, but seems to be pretty good to me. And that was another interesting thing from my shop for you on the YouTube. So be definitely subscribe. If I found something really interesting on that 4-wheel drive system or the suspension, I will try to film it again if I will have a time. and you don't want to miss it on this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and have a great day, my friend.